Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, welcome. My name is Karen. So as you guys can tell, I'm currently at Target. Say hi, Samuel. So we came and get some baby wipes, but we're gonna be browsing around and looking at stuff. Oh, they sell watches. What's up, you guys? A little update on the whole packing and moving situation. We are loading up the U-Haul and it is around 8:30 p.m. So we just got started. So we're probably gonna be up late unloading the truck. So I will show you guys what that's looking like. All right, you guys, we got a mess in the garage and all the little helpers. You helping? You helping? All the little helpers. So we still got more than half a truck to fill, which hopefully it won't take that much. All right, you guys, so my room is pretty much done. That is staying here, and then my husband's got to come get the TV, and then I'm just going to vacuum very quickly. But here's what an empty room looks like. So, done, done, done. You guys, my body feels so hot from like running back and forth and stuff. And here's my niece, Milka. She is my #1 fan. I think she's my day 1 subscriber. And you want to say anything to the vlog?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
I say hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, click subscribe and
Slower so they can understand. Start over.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, click subscribe and his huge thumbs up. Today we're gonna make a vlog with Just Got It.
Yay! What are you doing? Now we're moving. Are you gonna miss us? Or no?
Yes.
Yes. So cute. So it's 12 a.m. and currently hubby has made some progress. Obviously a lot of progress. Almost done. He's almost done.
You gonna take
So, yep. Hey guys, we are done loading the truck here. Ready to go. Yeah? All right.